Hello, Dorothy Siminovitch here. Thank you for a few moments of your time. I'm the Director of Training for the Gestalt Center for Coaching, and I'm often asked, so what is the Gestalt approach? In part, that is why I wrote a Gestalt Coaching primer, The Path Towards Awareness IQ, to answer those questions, particularly if you are a coach, a consultant, a business leader, or really anyone looking to use yourself as an instrument of learning for yourself and for others. And an instrument of learning means recognizing and using the data of yourself in terms of what you're thinking, what you're feeling, what you're aware of, and how that may be relevant in the moment to challenges that are new and different to whatever it is that we know that requires more adaptability. So the buzzwords of today's time are adaptability, resilience, and overcoming learning failures. These are the challenges of also learning how to use your awareness. If you're interested in discovering the power of this approach, I invite you to join us in beautiful downtown Toronto, May 6th, 7th, and 8th, and look for the information links following this video. And again, thank you for your time, and don't hesitate to contact us with any questions. We have a few spaces left, and we so invite you to join us. Thank you.